Look at this question from profit and loss. The question is: a man wanted to sell an article with 20% profit, but he actually sold at 20% loss for rupees 480. At what price he wanted to sell it to earn the profit? How much profit he wanted to earn? 20% profit. Okay. So to find the answer, let us say he bought that at 100 rupees. Let's assume cost price is 100 rupees. Okay. If cost price is 100, then he wanted to sell that product at what price? Wanted to sell. Okay. Wanted to sell at what price? 120. Correct? 20% profit. He bought it 100 and he wanted to sell it at 120. Next, but he sold at what price? Sold at 20% loss. So if he had bought it 100 rupees, then 20% loss would be what? Then 20% loss would be actually sold at 20% loss. So he bought it 100 rupees, 20% loss means he sold at 80 rupees. Correct? But here we don't know what is the cost price. This was left side, whatever we did is our assumption. So right side, let's say he sold at 480 rupees, that is already given. So he sold at 480 rupees. Now we need to find what is the price he wanted to sell it. Okay. Now we know in the place of 80 we have 480. If he had bought it 100 rupees, if he had bought it 100 rupees, then he would, the selling price is 80 rupees. But we don't know what price he bought it, right? But we only know what price he sold it. So in the place of 80 we have 480. Then what will be in the place of 120? In the place of 120, what we'll have? 80 is place 480 means 120 is place. See how much? See, this is 1.5 times of 80. That means 1.5 times of 480. So 480 plus half of 480. If we add half of 480 is 240. So let's add 240 to 480. So this should be 480 plus 240 is equal to what? 600 plus 120 is 720. 720. So we have option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct.